3, 2, 1.
The band Muse released their first album, Showbiz, in what year? The answer is A, 1999. What mutated animals act as monsters in the movie Night of the Lepus? The answer is C, rabbits. Which school in Surrey, England did Steve Backshall attend? The answer is D, Collingwood College. Which race in Guild Wars 2 believes in the eternal alchemy? The answer is C, Azura. What was the name of the planned invasion of Japan towards the end of World War II? The answer is A, Operation Downfall. John Moses Browning, the designer of the M1918 BAR Browning automatic rifle, was a part of which religion? The answer is C, Mormon. Which of these characters won the Super Smash Bros. Fighter ballot in 2015? The answer is D, Bayonetta. Which of these characters in Stranger Things has the power of telekinesis? The answer is B, 11. Decapods are an order of 10-footed crustaceans. Which of these are not decapods? The answer is A, krill. The 1996 film Fargo is primarily set in which U.S. state? The answer is C, Minnesota. What year was Netflix founded? The answer is D, 1997. All of the following are classified as Finno-Ugric languages except the answer is C, Samoyedic. In the original Doctor Who series 1963, fourth Doctor Tom Baker's scarf was how long? The answer is A, 7 meters. Which of these is not a world in the anime Butterfight? The answer is C, Ancient Dragon World. Paul McCartney has always used his middle name. What is his real first name? The answer is C, James. The word Astasia means which of the following? The answer is C, the inability to stand up. What is the capital of Indonesia?
The answer is A, Jakarta.
What is the currency of Poland? The answer is B, zloty. What minimum level in the defense skill is needed to equip dragon armor in the MMO RuneScape? The answer is B, 60. Which of these songs was released in 1996? The answer is B, The Smashing Pumpkins 1979. What was the character Kirby originally going to be named? The answer is A, Popopo. What was the name of the security vulnerability found in Bash in 2014? The answer is A, Shellshock. Which Sonic the Hedgehog game introduced Knuckles the Echidna? The answer is A, Sonic the Hedgehog 3. What play is the quote "Hell is other people" from? The answer is A, No Exit. What color hair does the main character of the Yu-Gi-Oh! Original anime series have? The answer is A, red, black, and yellow. How many games in the Crash Bandicoot series were released on the original PlayStation? The answer is B, 5. Which NBA player won Most Valuable Player for the 1999-2000 season? The answer is A, Shaquille O'Neal. In Five Nights at Freddy's 1, how can you make Golden Freddy disappear? The answer is C, Enable cameras. Which of the following Ivy League universities has its official motto in Hebrew as well as in Latin? The answer is C, Yale University. Which of these is not a possible drink to be made in the game VA 11 Hallway, Cyberpunk Bartender Action? The answer is B, Sour Appletini. In Roman numerals, what does XL equate to?
The answer is D, 40.
Which of the following Soviet revolutionaries was exiled from the USSR and later assassinated in 1940 for criticizing Stalinism? The answer is D, Leon Trotsky. When was the Grand Patriotic War in the USSR concluded? The answer is B, May 9, 1945. The characters of Log Horizon are trapped in what game? The answer is A, Elder Tale. When was Finland's 100th year of being independent? The answer is B, 2017. In the video game Overwatch, which playable character is infamous for saying it's high noon? The answer is B, McCree. The ontological argument for the proof of God's existence is first attributed to whom? The answer is B, Anselm of Canterbury. Which one of these action movies are shot entirely in one take? The answer is C, Victoria. Which one of these is not an official development name for a Ubuntu release? The answer is C. Mystic Mansion. Botanically speaking, which of these fruits is not a berry? The answer is C. Strawberry. Which of these cities has a 4 degrees east longitude? The answer is D. Amsterdam. Which movie contains the quote, "Say hello to my little friend"? The answer is D. Scarface. Which one of these is not a character in the video game Overwatch? The answer is B. Garen. Which of the following did not feature in the cartoon Wacky Races? The answer is C. The Dragon Wagon. What was the name of the first episode of Doctor Who to air in 1963? The answer is C. An Unearthly Child. What is the lowest layer of the Earth's atmosphere named? The answer is D. Troposphere. Which of the following originated as a manga? The answer is A. Akira. In addition to his career as an astrologer and prophet, Nostradamus published a 1555 treatise that included a section on what? The answer is A. Making jams and jellos. Which of the following countries was the first to send an object into space? The answer is A. Germany. In Call of Duty: Zombies, what is the name of the machine that upgrades weapons?